first is for you to load your Microsoft PowerPoint. You locate it. Either you search for it or you just go to Microsoft Office and you click. When you click, it takes you to the PowerPoint environment. So firstly, I would not advise you should just rush into your presentation. Take a good look at the entire framework of what you are trying to do. Now, the very first thing, you should know that the presentation must have various slides. They must have various slides. So in adding multiple slides, depending on what you are working on, is to click on that new slide. You can click on it in the numbers of slides that you want. So now take the first slide. You can decide to remove the entire design that you have there. In doing that, it's very easy. You come there, click on layouts, and you click on blank space. And when you click on blank space, it takes you to an empty layout. Then to add your own layout is for you to click on that draw tool. Then you click on the drag anything you want to do. So for me, I would like to write welcome. Add another one. I'll add another one. Yeah, I told you before, the journey. Alright, the journey. Now let's see. The journey is a valley anyway. Is a valley. Is a town. It's a town. So let's see. So what you do, you select Control A to select all of them, so that you can change the entire font style as you want, and you increase it to your desired number. You just position it anyhow you want it to be. Like I said, it's your design. It's always your design. You do it anyhow you want to do it, so long it's presentable. You can change design if you like. Maybe you're not okay with it. There's a tool for you to change your design. Select, you can change, but me, I would like to just add my own background style. In doing that, you click on format background. It takes you to where you have the opportunity to add your own background. Already, I already have backgrounds that I saved in my system. So I'll click on file. I selected it as I think it should be in desktop. Yeah, it's in desktop. So I take on any design that I want. So I've already downloaded all images. So I click on it, it changes. So that's how I want my first page background to look like. Then you can position it anyhow you want to position it. Okay. Then let's move to the second. Again, I don't want their own layout, I want mine. So what are we talking about? I think when we're talking about the Jalin. So sorry if I'm a little bit fast. So I'm just trying to make sure I am able to cover up everything. Okay. I already have information about that valley. I already have the information about the valley, and this is the information that I will just be extracting from Microsoft Word. Already, you know Microsoft Word. I'll be extracting from Microsoft Word. So I'll take them one after the other. I'll copy, come here, and also add again another text box. And I would love to do it in a bullet, or in terms of so that it can be listing. I can be listing them one after the other. So take that tiger here, go back, copy. Because of time, I don't think I'll be doing all these ones. I think I'll just do it. I'll just copy everything. Yeah. So I can arrange it depending on how I want to arrange it. change the font size. You know this now, I've done it before. So change it. Yeah, I think I like it like this. Okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah, change. Yeah. Okay. It's your presentation, your slide, depending on how you want to do it. Now for WAEC, I think in the next module I'll be answering a WAEC question for you. And for a WAEC question, it's different because you don't do it based on how you want to do it. You you do it based on instructions given. But this is more like an introduction to a class for you to play around it. So we're just playing around this particular um, presentation. Okay, then change the background as I did earlier. Do the same for the next. Because of time, I think I'll just do it for all of them. Just for all of them. But let's take the very first one. Let's take the very first one. After this first one, I'll kind of fast forward the video. Or fast forward it so because of time, so that it won't get too much, too bulky. I already have images for all that. Okay, I think I'll reduce this image. Image is kind of too big, so that I can be able to have my write-up beneath it. So it's add my text box. Yeah, then I can copy from Word. Yeah, copy from Word. Paste it here. Okay, I think I would arrange it, put it in. Yeah, I just justify that as Ctrl J for those of you that will be wondering what happened there, and change it to the font I want. Ooh, oops. Alright, let me arrange it, take it up a bit. Just take it up a bit. Okay. Yeah, I think I will do center alignment better. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Our design looks fine. I'll do the same for others, all others. That's it. So I kind of fast forwarded the video to because of time. So the same procedure that we used in doing everything, that's the same we're going to use in doing each of the slides that we want. So what we're through with that is just for us to work on the transition. When I talk about transition, but before then, I'm still doing some design. But as I'm doing this, let me explain transition on how you want the slides to be moving. How you want the slides to be moving. That's what transition is talking about. Yeah, I'm just trying to arrange my entire work and change the format of my images in my slides. Now this is just a fancy presentation. A more serious presentation whereby you'll be given instructions on the type of font you should use, type of image you should use, the numbers of words. That one is now more like an examination kind of question. So, but for this one, just playing around, like I will always say, just play around and get to know. So, if you are through with that, then you conclude by saying thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Now I have to design it. I have to see design this on too. Okay, let's turn it. Let's turn it. Okay, good, beautiful. I like this. No, I love my work anyways. Well, I know you can do a lot better than I am doing right now. You can do a lot better. Yeah. So let us talk about the transition that I talked about earlier on. Okay. That's it's not nice. It's not nice. Don't mind me. It's not nice. Anyways, let's leave it like that. Let's just move to transition. Transition has to do with how do you want your slides to move in one from one page to another. So you can where you go to is animation. When you click on animation, you will see all of that. When you are through with the entire work, you then um, click on F5 for the thing to display. Click on F5 for the thing to do. So in order for the video not to get too lengthy, I think I'll be stopping here now. I think I'll be stopping here right now because I wouldn't want the video to be too lengthy. When it's too lengthy, it becomes boring. So I think I would, after that, this is the last thing I'll do. So we'll talk more and do more in our class. Thank you.